Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The government tabled its second revised budget today, showing spending has increased by a further $11 billion. The increase now puts the budget at $802 billion. Most of the increase goes to national security. Other big-ticket increases were seen in the Health Ministry, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, and for water. Fontana Pharmacy became the first company to list on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange for 2019 today. The company raised $467 million in its initial public offering, listed more than 1.2 billion shares on the junior market.
Going public, there's a big debate whether it should go and all that, and my father eventually said, for many reasons, but one of them was family. Many companies you see, family companies, when they transition, it doesn't transition and they fall apart. And one of the reasons was he said he wants to make sure continuity.
In the meantime, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forrest, says junior market capitalization now stands at more than $10 billion.
Including the $466.9 million raised by Fontana, the total capital raised by companies listed on the junior market now amounts to $10.67 billion, fulfilling the objective of the junior market, which is to enable access to equity capital.
Listed company Knutsford Express Services has raised $150 million through a private bond. It made the announcement in a news release yesterday. Knutsford Express says the money will be used to fund expansion plans locally and overseas. This includes the acquisition of a small bus charter company in Florida. In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $129.46. The Canadian dollar closed at $99.57. The pound is going for $166.15, while the euro is being sold for $150.17. Now, oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in February went up by $1.03 to settle at $49.80 a barrel. The JSE index lost 566 points today, while the junior market index is down by 25 points. Stocks posting gains include AMG Packaging and Paper, Jamaican Teas, Lasco Manufacturing, Medical Disposables and Supplies, NCB Financial Group, Panjam Investments, and Radio Jamaica. Among the losers, Barita Investments, Carib Cement, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers, Key Insurance, and Lasco Distributors. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.